With the ByczSpeed Pro, you get perfect piercing and fast positioning. It cuts reliably and quickly. The ByczSpeed Pro combines the best of everything needed to make up a dynamic power package. With its unique dynamics and high level of autonomy, the ByczSpeed Pro ensures the highest reliable output of parts across the complete spectrum of sheet metal thicknesses. Naturally, the ByczSpeed Pro is equipped with advanced technologies, such as fast and efficient regulated pulsed piercing, and the automatic changing of the lens cassette, which permits uninterrupted, lightly manned operation of laser production. Regardless of what material or sheet thickness is being processed, the machine always cuts with the optimal lens cassette for the material. In addition to the automatic nozzle changer, the ByczSpeed Pro is also equipped with automatic nozzle centering that positions the beam optimally onto the lens cassette in use and the nozzle. Your laser production needs no operator intervention as long as follow-on jobs and material are available. ByczSpeed Pro combines high reliability, the lowest cutting downtimes, maximum laser power, and exceptional positioning speeds in a single machine. Thanks to optimal process coordination, the cutting downtimes are significantly reduced compared with similar machine concepts. The ByczSpeed Pro design concept allows the user to produce a reliable output of parts at the highest possible level. The proven bistronic laser source offers optimal energy efficiency with minimum operating costs. With its entire range of special features, the ByczSpeed Pro is the power package for the highest reliable output of parts. This makes ByczSpeed Pro indispensable for modern sheet metal processing.